Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Gemini GMX and verifying LEDs so you avoid surprises during the set. Once powered, connect master outputs to speakers using XLR or 1/4 cables. This preserves signal integrity. Make sure channel trims are at unity and the master volume is low, then raise to 12 o'clock when ready. Plug your headphones into the Q jack and set Q mix to the channel you want to monitor. These steps establish a stable signal path and protect your speakers from level spike. Next, configure each deck input so the controller interprets the signal correctly. Choose USB for computer playback, RCA for line, phono for turntables. Once the source is set, map jog wheels, tempo faders, and enable sync where needed to keep beats aligned. This reduces drift during long mixes. Route effects to the desired channel, tweak wet and dry to taste, and store a preset if you plan repeatable transitions. These actions let you perform confidently and shape your sound in real time. To finish a mix, use EQ cuts and volume fades. Apply filter sweeps to glue tracks and create tension. Record your output through USB or line out, watch levels to avoid clipping, and set cue points for live recall. If you encounter no audio or crackling, first confirm cables are fully seated and the ground is connected, then inspect master mute, channel mute, and gain staging. If issues persist, swap cables and test each deck independently to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.